Hi, in this video we are going to unbox and have a look at the ILAOLIU Rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard, which comes with a stand for your tablet or smartphone. Really, just take a moment and look at this keyboard. It does look fun. Hi there, you've tuned into the Unboxing with Marty channel. If you enjoyed this video and the videos on this channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, and don't forget to tell your friends. Well, by now, if you're familiar with this channel, I always like to take a look at the box and have a walk around the box. So here, we're going to have a look at the front of the box. You know, what caught my attention about this keyboard is it hit all the check marks that I needed. I wanted a rechargeable keyboard, Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, backlit keyboard, full-size pull-out phone, tablet holder, and up to 3 devices, Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and 2.4 gigahertz. Now, just flip it around the back. On the back, you're going to find some specifications, so I'm going to bring this up a little bit closer so it's easier for you to see. What I can really appreciate about the wrapping here is they're using this really tight plastic seal, tamper resistant. Again, that's something I always appreciate when I open a box. Okay, let's tear this plastic wrap off, open the box, and let's see what's inside. Yes, most important, here's the keyboard nicely wrapped. I need to shake the box. Oh, and here's your USB cable for charging. Now to pull the keyboard out of the protective sleeve, and oh, did you see that? There's the instruction manual. Now let's have a look at the stand. You just got to set up the stand, you just got to slide the stand out from here, turn it over. Prop up the backrest. And you can rest the tablet just like this. On the back there's this tape message, so it's kind of hard to read here, so I'll read it for you. In the white section it says remove the stick before use, and in the black section it says notice steps for 2.4 gigahertz connection. 1. Turn on the power switch. 2. Long press the 2.4 gigahertz channel. 3. Insert the USB receiver into computer. USB receiver on the back of the keyboard. And I'll tape it here for safekeeping. And here's where you'll find the receiver. And yes, the on-off switch and the charging ports located here. So now let's try out the backlit keyboard. First we'll try it in the lit room, and then let's try it in a dark room. This keyboard has 7 colors and 3 brightness levels. Press the RGB key to select the backlit color. Long press to turn on and off. Okay, this is interesting. And this one is too. Use the function key plus the arrow up and down to adjust the brightness. You know, following the included instructions manual to pair the device properly. Press the 2.4 gigahertz for a 2.4 gigahertz channel, and press the Bluetooth 1 or the Bluetooth 2 for either Bluetooth channel. Okay, I can't wait, but let's try it next. Lights out. First, we're going to play with the color selections, and then let's play with the brightness. Next, let's try out the brightness control. And this is what comes in the box. Well, this is going to bring us to the conclusion of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed making this video. If you have any thoughts, please place them in the comments section below. And as always, thank you for watching.